right, we got one today that I've been waiting on doing for a long time. We're going to get a LS MT1 with the factory grapple and the factory third function kit. They call it a third function. It's a diverter kit, but way better in this situation. Provides you tons of hydraulic flow. Really nice. It's right behind me here. And Tobias, if you're watching this, this one is yours. So I just borrowed it real quick after we talked on the phone to put it through its paces. I haven't been able to keep one on the lot long enough to actually do a video, so I took a little bit of time out of the day today to fix it, or to do this video. So let's jump on it. This is an LS tractor MT1. This is the 25 horse LL1101 loader. So that's the loader that just goes with this tractor. So the loader and this grapple and the quick connect are all matched. So they're all supposed to go together. So this is the MCG 1148A grapple that is made specifically for this tractor. A nice root rake style grapple. This quick disconnect setup, this is optional at the time I'm doing this video. Normally you can pin these on, but this is a quick disconnect. The quick disconnect works with this grapple and the loader and the factory bucket. As far as I know, anything else that's skid steer compatible, you have to modify a bit to work with this, or at least that's my understanding. So this is all factory hardware. This is the factory hose kit. So really nicely done here. Quick disconnects. Hoses come all the way up with some really nice custom zip ties there. We put these covers on these hoses. You got to have them. So this is the diverter kit. It's like Fort Knox. So your normal loader control hoses are here. These pipe into here, connects up to here. So there's your loader control with a button. Listen to this. So that solenoid switches the function of your grapple. So side to side, curl or dump, push the button. That'll be close or open. It might be the other way around, but that'll change that function to close and open. What is nice on this tractor, if you get your RPMs up, you can curl and raise, or dump and raise, or curl it. You know, you can do two functions at once. That also happens here. So I can grab while I'm lifting, open while I'm dropping, whatever. There's enough hydraulic flow to do that. So really nice setup. This is all factory. Great way to do it. I love this box. Quick disconnect makes my life way easier for switching out between this and the bucket. So let's jump on this thing and try it out.